Sick and tired of looking for ways to make money online, but unfortunately, you are not able to find any methods that actually work? I'm sure you're frustrated by now, and I know how you feel. Well, today I'm going to show you some methods that actually work, very easy to do. You don't have to stress, you don't have to worry about having any experience, any skills. All you need is an average computer or an average phone to do them. Now, know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do them. You don't have to worry about any registration fees or anything like that. And what is wonderful about this is that it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from. Africa, Australia, South America, Europe, Asia. You can all get access to this opportunity. Now, the mistake that you're going to make is to skip through this video because you maybe saw the website, or maybe you think that you just quickly go on the website and try everything by yourself. Well, that will be a big mistake, because I'm going to show you the exact procedure. I'm going to show you and explain to you everything, how it works, what it's about. So you want to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. That will really help you. So before I show you this method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. You support me and people will support you as well. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, a new method to help you make more money online, you don't need to go running around looking for my videos. You'll easily get a notification in order to watch my videos. So, the first website I want to show you here today is called Surveys on the Go. Now, what is Surveys on the Go? First of all, if you read here what is Surveys on the Go, it says Surveys on the Go is a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions. You'll have opportunities to share your views on many subjects, including products and shopping, entertainment, sports, media, and technology. So let me explain how it works. You've probably heard of a survey before. Maybe you just get a document or maybe a message online where they want you to answer a few questions concerning maybe sports or fashion or food or anything like that. Now, what makes Surveys on the Go different is that you are going to get paid to complete these surveys. You get paid. As you can see over here, get paid. You actually get paid to give your opinion concerning different topics. So, for example, they will give you a topic concerning maybe fashion. They'll ask you, do you shop at Louis Vuitton? Yes or no? Maybe you say no. Are you a fan of maybe Pepsi or Coca-Cola or Fanta? What is your favorite drink? And you'll give your answer. Do you prefer Mercedes-Benz or BMW or an Audi or a Rolls-Royce or a Lamborghini or a Mazda? Now, depending on the answers you give concerning every survey that they give you, they actually use that information to distribute to major companies in order to actually change the way either they market their products, or maybe change the prices of their products, or it gives them feedback concerning the kind of products that people actually like, so they know what to do to make changes in order to make more revenue. So now, the feedback that you provide by giving big companies feedback, by answering these surveys, you get paid for every single survey that you are actually going to complete. Now, you must know that Surveys on the Go is available on the App Store and on the Play Store. So if you have an iPhone, go straight to the App Store right now, search Surveys on the Go. This is the logo right here. It's a green logo. If you have an Android, go to the Play Store, search for Surveys on the Go. Now, when you're here, you want to go and click Get Started. Firstly, you just need to sign up, which is absolutely free. You don't have to pay, as I've told you. You just want to sign up. Now your question might be, why I should complete surveys? It says here, your opinion is important and your time is valuable. So we pay you for making our app part of your daily routine. You'll cash out with PayPal or by applying your earnings to a virtual Visa account, Amazon gift card, or Starbucks gift card. So the main great thing about surveys on the go is that they pay you to answer questions. Simple as that. You don't need to think too much of what is going on here. It's basically giving you some questions and they'll pay you. For example, over here, consumer experience, $20, lifestyle, $7, product evaluation, $15. So a topic on consumer experience, they're going to ask you, like, the last time you went at this store, how did you find it? What didn't you like about it? Blah, 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 blah. Did you enjoy your experience? Yes or no? Did you find what you were looking for? Yes or no? So simple things like that. And they're going to pay you over here $20 just for doing that. It's like really, really easy money which you can make. And there's so many surveys that you can do. And this is something you can do at home, whilst walking, on the toilet, in the car, before you go to bed. So this is why I want to show you this, so that you can stop struggling looking for ways to make money online and those things. And if you haven't already watched the rest of my videos, there are other methods in order for you to make more money online, where you can actually increase the amount of money you make. So just go and search for my videos and you're going to find more methods to help you out. So that is the first method I want to show you. The second method I want to show you, you want to go over here. This is called Make Money, a free cash app. This is on the Play Store. So this is a method where you get points for watching videos, get points for completing surveys, get points for playing games. Now, I don't focus on playing the games. I focus on maybe watching videos and answering surveys. Now you get paid in points. Now these points, you convert them into cash, which you can withdraw via PayPal. So it's absolutely easy to do. There's so many things you can do. For example, here, 5,000 credits, which is equal to $5, 10,000 credits, which is equal to $10, 20,000 credits equal to $20. So the more you complete surveys, the more credits you'll get, where at the end of the day, you can just convert them into money, and then you can withdraw them at any time. The minimum withdrawal is $5. So at any time you want to just do maybe a survey, you want to watch a video, you get extra points. Instead of just watching videos for fun, you can actually watch these videos and get points and convert them to money and make money. It's really, really awesome. The third option I want to give you here is called IPOL. IPOL.com. IPOL is a method where you can make money for actually giving your opinion on certain things. It's similar to surveys on the go, but what is different about this is that they focus on specific, like, concrete questions. Like, if it's got to do with Coca-Cola, they're going to give you like questions concerning Coca-Cola. If it's got to do with maybe like a specific store, they're going to give you a question concerning that specific store. So you can actually get good rewards from this. Sometimes deduction on flights, you can get rewards got to do with maybe Amazon, iTunes and Apple. It's really, really awesome. As you can see over here, your rewards can be in the form of App Store and iTunes, Amazon, PayPal. So if you just want your reward straight in cash, they'll give it to you via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you just want to go right now and actually create a PayPal account so that you can actually make money, and they can easily send it to your PayPal account and you can withdraw it anytime you want to. So it's called IPOL. So these are the three methods I wanted to show you today. It's surveys on the go, it's the Make Money free cash app, and it's the IPOL. This is IPOL.com. So I hope these three methods combined can actually boost your revenue, boost your money, boost your income, your side income, passive income. It's very easy to do. You can do this whilst in bed, lying down in bed. So I just want to encourage you to keep going, and thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you haven't already liked this video, like the video right now. Comment any questions you have in the comment section below. Turn on all post notifications. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And be patient, because I'll be sending you a new video as soon as possible. If you haven't already watched the videos I have already posted, you want to go straight to my channel and actually check out my new videos and all my videos that I've ever posted. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.